eBay. Wow, this comes with a lot. There's something for your nose hairs. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Let's turn it down a little bit. It's part 3 of the video. It has some kind of game-ish CD in it, which is interesting. Again, as I said before, cigarette lighter to turn on the device. It's got some metal bits and 2 remotes, so that's a lot all in one package. Rear seat entertainment is what they call it, but I was planning to use this, and hopefully it has an HDMI part so that we can connect a Raspberry Pi unit to it, because that is what would make my day. There's more cables in here. So I guess this is if you want to connect this up in your house. It works indoors and in the car. This looks like to me.
Likey.